This set of points is on the graph of a function. What are the points on the graph of its inverse? So if I graph these points, negative 3, 4, negative 2, 1, negative 1, 0, and 1, 4, what are going to be the points on the graph of the inverse? How am I going to figure those out? I'm here with my teaching assistant, Chloe, for her latest cheat sheet notes. She wants you to know that when you are taking the inverse of a set of points, all you do is switch the x and the y around. If you are taking the inverse of a function, replace f of x with y, switch x and y around, solve for y, and then replace y with f to the negative 1 power of x. If you are looking at a graph and wondering if it's invertible, ask yourself, does it pass the horizontal line test? Now that we have Chloe's cheat sheet notes, we can go ahead and find the points on the graph of the inverse of these points. So you can see that my original points are negative 3, 4, negative 2, 1, negative 1, 0, and 1, 4. According to Chloe's cheat sheet notes, she let us know if you're looking for the inverse of a set of points, all you have to do is switch the x and y around. When we have an ordered pair, the x is first and the y is second. So we're just going to go ahead and flip the x and y. So instead of negative 3, 4, it'll become 4, negative 3. Instead of negative 2, 1, it'll become 1, negative 2. Instead of negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1. Instead of 1, 4, 4, 1. And if we were to graph this, you could see that our original points are up here in the red, and then down here in this blue-purple color, these are the points of the inverse. Now, these are actually a mirror image of each other over the line f of x equals x. So you can see here, negative 1, 0. If you folded it on this dotted green line, you would have 0, negative 1 as the mirror image. Negative 2, 1, the inverse is 1, negative 2. Negative 3, 4, inverse was 4, negative 3. 1, 4, inverse was 4, 1. And either of any of those 4 points, if you folded this graph along the x-axis, the y equals x line, you would see that they are mirror images of each other. So the answer to this problem is the inverse points are 4, negative 3, 1, negative 2, 0, negative 1, and 4, 1.